You'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing but myself, you are no one else. Thankful you're my day one, thankful you're mine. I got lucky finding you. I won't make the day that I came across you, 'cause when you're with me I don't feel blue. Not a day goes by that I would not redo. Everybody wants to love. It's easy when you try hard enough. Yeah, that's right. You'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're my day one, I'm thankful you're my day one. When I first met you, it just felt right. It's like I met a copy of myself that night. I don't believe in fate as such, but we were meant to be together, that's my hunch. Everybody wants true love. It's out there if you look hard enough, enough, enough. You'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're my day one. Hour by hour, minute by minute, I got mad love for you, and you know it. I would never leave you on your own. I just want you to know you'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're my day one, you'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else.
Hi anak, surprise! Hello, good day to you. Tingnan niyo ako sir. Nagulat ka ba na may video ka na siya? Pero this is as your loving parents. Gusto lang namin sa'yo mag-wish. And ano naman yung bago na yung magiging life mo with your special someone. As your loving father, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na we always believe in you. We always trust you kasi we are family and we always talk with each other. Nag-uusap tayo kung ano man yung magandang gawin sa buhay natin. But in your decision, lagi kami nakasupport sa'yo. Basta kami as your loving parents, kung saan ka masaya, mas masaya ako sa'yo. At saka the guy that you chose, si Osan, we know him somehow kasi yung effort niya, nararamdaman namin na he's the guy na nag-deserve ng love mo. Kaya lang, to be honest with you, merong sadness kami nararamdaman kasi alam naman kaisa-isa ka namin. Tapos, yun nga, settle down ka na. So, may period of adjustment pa. Pero ang lagi na lang namin iniisip, siyempre, kung saan ka masaya, doon din kami. Basta, all we wish namin para sa'yo is maging happy ka, tapos kasi you deserve it, all your efforts. Alam ko naman na dati kami yung priority mo sa buhay. But this time, may kasama ka na, may mahal ka na sa buhay mo. Nandito lang kami, your parents, to support you. Basta usap tayo palagi kung anong gusto mo, and kung merong ups and downs, just let us know. Saka alam niyo naman, di ba yung usapan natin, kahit anong mangyayari, ikaw pa rin yung kaisa sa naming anak, mahal na mahal ka na. Good luck, and always be sure na we are always praying for your happiness, both of you. Good luck, Bea, and mahal na naman kanita. Here's your mom.
Ako sinulat ko kasi alam mo naman, iyakin ako. Nakakalimutan ko to eh pag hindi ko sinulat. To my dearest child, Bea, we are so proud of you. Binigay sa'yo ni Lord ang tamang tao na makakasama mo sa buhay. First, natakot ako. Natakot kami kasi siyempre hindi ko alam kung mabait ba talaga siya at malayo kami sa'yo. But nakita ko naman na mabuting tao si Osay at nag-effort siya na umuwi ng Pilipinas para makita kami. At pinakilala niya rin sa amin ang parents niya. Na mukha namang sincere siya. Kaya, Ozan, we welcome to you, to our family with open arms. Wish you a lifetime of happiness, love, and light. I feel like yesterday we were holding you in my arms, anak, Bea. Lagi tayong magkakasama. Hatid sundo kita sa school nung bata ka po. Nasanay kami na lagi tayong tatlo magkakasama. And now, you're starting a new chapter of your life. Bubuo ka na ng sariling pamilya. Nawa ang iyong pagsasama ay maghatid ng pagmamahalan. At saya at maging matatag para sa isa't isa. Palagi kaming nandito para sa iyo, anak. Lagi kaming nakasupport para sa iyo. Congratulations, we're so happy na nakita namin na masaya kasama si Osay. Yan ang importante sa amin. Kakasundo kayo palagi. Lagi nyo lang tatandaan na laging si God yung nasa sentro ng inyong marriage. And Osan, keep your promise, you know that hinihintay ko yun. Love you both.